Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick note before I start this video today. Just a huge thank you to all the subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. I had a goal of 50 subscribers by the end of February. I actually surpassed that and I think I reached 53 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. It's greatly appreciated. Currently at 58, which I'm absolutely stoked about as well. So my new goal now for the end of March is a conservative 75. So it's a little bit, it's a bit of a stretch, I know, but I'll give it a crack anyway. So hopefully I can reach that goal by the end of March. Today we're actually installing a big bore kit on Dad's Z125 Pro. It's the 143 big bore kit, the V2 race head, cam, throttle body. And yeah, Dad was alluding to a couple of videos ago when we went out for a bit of a ride that he was saving up for a big bore kit for his Z125. And I thought, well, that wouldn't be a bad birthday present, would it? So I bought it from Man in the Box. It turned up in about a week from the United States, which was absolutely bloody fantastic. And yeah, so now we're up here today and we're stripping the bike down and getting ready to put the kit in. So yeah, we'll get cracking with it. Good on you. Alright, so what are you up to, Dad?
Oh, taking the intake manifold.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get around that side.
Yeah. They don't give you much room here, but...
No, it doesn't look like it.
No. It's loose, but you can't get it with your fingers. Here we go. Like I said, they don't give you much room.
No. So yeah, the big bore kit's a 143cc kit, brings it up from a 125cc. Just gives it more torque and more oomph in it, which Dad was chasing a little bit on this one. He just loves tinkering with bikes and cars and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, should be a fun exercise. This, I haven't seen the insides of these engines yet, but they're pretty basic, air-cooled 4-stroke, 2-valve head on them. But yeah, should be good.
How about that?
Have you got the chain?
Yes.
Okay, I'll grab the head. And that's him.
That's it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Winner, chicken dinner. You'll free up your hands to do what you need to do. Here she comes. Oh, look at that.
Yep.
We should put some blades on the bottom of this and make a lawnmower out of it.
Yeah.
We'll do the same to mine.
Yeah. Oop.
That's it. You got the chain.
Yep.
Oh, how bloody easy is this?
Yeah.
Yep, I got that. Hey, look at that. It's run in.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really good, the ball.
Yep.
No worries.
So then you put your screwdriver in here
That's right.
and you turn that
And
one.
you click it in, don't you?
Yeah, click it in. Yep.
Cool. Happy days. How cute's that piston?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, the 143 piston looks a little different.
Yes.
It's got way bigger cut-ins on that than that. Cool. There, you see the little exhaust cutout there for the valve. See if I can get a little bit closer there. And that's the 143 big bore piston. And you can see the size of the cutout for the valves. Talk about getting some more fuel in. Must have a hell of a lot more lift and duration on the valves, in the head, on the V2 head. Yeah, big difference. That is going to bring some torque to it. Fantastic. There's the piston rings installed. You see one gap there for the top ring, and then for the bottom ring I've gapped it on this side here, and then the oil ring, I've got one gap there, and then trying to find the other one, there's the other one there. So that should be alright. Installed. That went on nicely.
Yeah.
You need a few pairs of hands though, eh?
You need a few?
Pairs of hands.
Yes. Yeah,
Just to like to keep the tension on that.
Yeah.
Guide that through.
Yeah.
Wiggle this down, put the gudgeon pin through in the circlip, and get it down on the studs
Yeah.
of the crankcase as well. Yeah, it's a bit of mucking around.
Yeah.
Right, so that's the head done. Got the exhaust studs in,
Okay.
and we've got the roller rockers in, and we've got the tappet adjusters in as well. And same on that side there. And we've got the cute little camshaft in as well, and the retaining plate. And that retaining plate actually goes into a groove into the cam, back of the cam part there. So she's all good to go. Look at that, been
Yeah.
moving.
Been moving too.
Bloody hell though. Unreal. Alright, so we're going to slide this one on. Alright, so there's the head in, barrel, and this side we're just doing the timing on the cam sprocket to the crankshaft, and everything seems to be aligned, so we're going to do a full crank revolution on it just to make sure everything lines up and everything's moving the way it's supposed to be, so we'll give it a crack.
face locked onto the phone.
Alright, so that's pretty much all back together again, other than the spark plug. We've left the spark plug out. We're just going to crank it a little bit just to get some oil pressure up into the heads and all that before we fire it up. And yeah, we'll stick the spark plug in and then we'll give her a kick. Give her a crank, Dad.
Yeah. I reckon we got oil up there now.
I reckon we've got it all up there. Right, so spark plug in. Let's give it a go, Dad.
Yeah. See if they just explode.
Hopefully not. I'll be fucked.
Yes, bang.
Instant. It's got a little bit of blue smoke from the, I had a bit of oil on the top of the piston.
Yeah.
That sounds different too.
Yes, it does.
It's deeper.
Yeah.
Deeper note. Nice one.
Nice one. Just bang.
Oh wow, that is sensational.
Oh, hair standing up for him.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. Got a hair standing up. What a beauty.
Well, you got yourself a big bore kit.
What a...
How good is that?
Yeah, no mucking about the starter mode or nothing.
Nothing. Timing was bang on.
Yeah.
The whole lot. Well, I knew the timing was bang on because we mucked around with that for like half an hour to try and get that right, eh? I reckon that's a result, Dad. Do it again. Kick it in the guts again.
Yes.
Idle's not going to hurt it. Listen to that new piston.
Yeah.
Oh,
Different sound altogether.
different sound.
Even the idle and everything.
Idle and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unreal, eh?
Big smile.
Oh, that is awesome. What a result.
Absolute awesome.
Happy days. Fantastic. So that's off to the dyno shop tomorrow?
Yes.
He's going to dyno it tomorrow? He's going to tune it tomorrow?
No, what happened is he said to me, bring it down, and I don't think we're doing the dynos on Saturday. He said, maybe we bring it down,
Yeah.
and we get into it when we
Okay.
time to do it.
Get the sun
And
right.
we give you a call.
Yeah. When it's all done.
Yeah, it's all done.
Happy days.
And then Jim's going to take me down, as I said.
Yeah, and he'll drop you down there and you're going to ride it home.
And I'll take the bike home.
Oh, cool.
Hey guys, I'm in the office. For some reason, yesterday the camera didn't want to record the closing of the video. Let me just say that the old boy, he was absolutely beside himself with excitement, getting the 143 big bore kit fitted to his Z125 Pro. He was dropping it down to the dyno shop today, and as he said in the video, it'll get dynoed in the next couple of days or so. And yeah, all tuned up and ready to rock and roll, which is really good. So yeah, I'll wrap the video up here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a good old thumbs up for me, much appreciated, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for plenty more videos to come up on Rev Match 1970. You guys have a fantastic day, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.